We're all familiar with images of oil victims. It's a heartbreaking sight. How many more reasons do we need to responsibly dispose of our waste oil and chemicals? Tankers have to clean their holds after unloading, often producing hazardous liquids. The disposal of this liquid waste is a task for a highly specialized ship like this one, the Hydrovac 10. She's equipped with several separated tanks and a double hull for safety. The captain of the Hydrovac already knows what kind of waste the next ship on his list has to unload. The moment it moors, the captain gets a message and he's on his way. All ships have bilge water and sludge to dispose of. Sometimes the Hydrovac also takes in the cleaning water from the hold, often contaminated with chemicals. No risks are taken here. For every load, 2 samples are taken, one for the captain of the ship unloading and one for the captain of the Hydrovac. Forms are checked and signed for the captain of the Hydrovac to take with him. Every litre of load is accounted for. The loaded Hydrovac then heads for the recycling plant. There, the plant too takes samples. The samples are taken to the lab to be analyzed. At the same time, the paperwork is taken care of and the load is officially handed over. At the lab, every chemical is isolated. Again, no risks are taken, because the factory works with living bacteria to process the oily water waste. But first the oil has to be extracted. That is what happens here. Chemicals are added to thicken the oil and allow it to come to the surface, where it can easily be removed. The recently harvested dirty oil gets a second life in this factory, where it's used as a fuel for cleaning dirty soil. And this is where the last step takes place, the cleaning of the leftover dirty water. It's done by microscopic workers, bacteria. Once free of toxins, the water is clean enough for it to be transported to a standard water purifying plant, to end up in the open water.